yeah. And everything is alright. Jogger, and JC. Let's go. Yeah. Citywide news when I blow the ozone. I leave my mark, yeah, I'm logo loco. Got no style, I'm a polo dodo. These women want rings, but I don't know Frodo. Wake up, sit down, I ain't going to work. If I go get drowned, I'ma go in a hearse. If I don't get found, I'ma go in reverse. I could've sold this out while I was throwing the birds. So don't throw no shade when I park the Gotti. See 3 white girls trying to spark the Bobby. I be rushed up in the paint, boy, it's hard to stop me. Are you a remix or a carbon copy? Like T-Town and we partying hard now. We used to use fakes, but we buy in the bar now. 2020, I'll be up and flying the car down. My eyes roll back, what you trying to start now?
Riding around the town tonight, we feeling good.
Good morning, YouTube. I'm here with my wife.
Oh, I got no lip gloss on.
My son, Braden.
I thought you were supposed to be fixing.
And we have woke up in the hotel. We are in
Fort Polk. Well, Fort Johnson, formerly known as Fort Polk.
AKA Fort
Man, would you put my shoe on?
Polk, Louisiana, on the Army base. We're here visiting my little bro, Mike, for a very, very special day. You'll get that later. But we are just preparing for the day.
I'll do it.
We just ate breakfast. Not your typical breakfast, but ate breakfast. That's Braden being weird.
They're renovating, that's why it's not like.
And that's my mom over there.
You're acting like some of them kids that be asking, you know, you got games on your phone.
Do you got games on your phone?
Sure is. Because he's supposed to help me put my shoe on.
Help your mama.
Push.
You broke it, didn't you?
No.
I got it.
Yeah, cause
I'm finna help my wife put shoes on.
no, I got it.
Unfortunate fire, right? They thought they hit something so many times, right? They say, all right, I'm gonna swing at it 5 times. They swing it, and this one, no, you swing at it until you fucking break it. Like whatever, if you chopping the wood, you swing at it until you finish chopping the wood, and it's a time event. He left for a little bit, and they gave us some random. It was some random answer. Who? They fired him from DC. Dead. That's why he came back. Cause the show, it wasn't like they not reclassing him.
He's Wolverine until he dies.
They not reclassing
When he
him.
died, then reclassified.
That's like what's his name?
He's already too many superheroes. You know how many superheroes he done been?
No, he's been the same. He's been.
What's that nigga name from X-Men?
That's still Deadpool.
No, that wasn't Deadpool.
That was still
It
was technically that was.
It was technically Deadpool.
It was Deadpool,
but he was what you call it?
Okay, so the guy when he played,
he was a prototype. I'm gonna say that.
Yeah, when he cut his head off the laser. Okay, cause he reminded me a lot of Deadpool.
He was Deadpool. Deadpool was nothing more than a copycat of Wolverine. That's what he was supposed to be.
He was immortal.
But except versus having blades on him, he just had them in his hands.
Bro, what in the... You heard me well.
What?
He was at the hospital and the nurse that brought her in was like, yeah, she told me that y'all doing a gender reveal Saturday. It's like, yeah, it's like, y'all should get a mortar and blow the balloons up. I was like, dude, what? It's like, how we gonna get a mortar, dog? He was like, you could probably get one. I was like, because everybody else using thermite or whatever they call Tannerite. Yeah, no. Get a mortar.
You ought to shoot something with a 50 cal. Mike, you ever shot a 50 cal?
No, not since I've been in. That they didn't have people go to the 50 cal range multiple times. I just ended up never going. So.
Oh Jesus! I be looking at the YouTube videos. These dudes shooting 50 cal pistols. They don't even shoot from the hip.
Yeah, 50 cal pistol. You see it? Oh, you got like your hands when you shoot something like this. start chopping on them boys with shooting one hand, you gotta shoot something like this.
They don't shoot from the hip at all.
Nah,
You can't.
that bad. My wrist started hurting.
Yeah. Hell no. Hell no.
You put on both and it smell like a whole, like, I remember that. It smell good on both. It smell good on both.
I need to figure out when he gonna be back in town.
Raw, he come and sit. He ain't raw.
Did you put your stuff in that bag that you brought? That's totally crazy.
Oh, it's in my.
Twice.
I got four, but I'm working on 2 of them.
Aye. More skeletons. Oh! So it's my turn.
So I'm confused. I was like, I know you stole the other one.
I'm gonna give you
Where the other one?
one.
I wanted the other one that was right there.
Okay. Oh.
They had that one back down, but not here.
So that's you?
No, they were both outside.
I'm the bad guy.
Where'd you get that?
That's the point of me saying that as soon as I let the arrow go, y'all shoot. If I miss, guess what? Y'all ready? It's going to go to a perfect shoot.
Is the safety on?
Y'all too ready? Mike, Cindy, y'all ready?
Go ahead. I'm not shooting.
Yeah, he's not shooting. I have no idea what he was doing.
Come on. Did you shoot this? Come shoot this.
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, yeah,
It's
yeah.
short?
Yeah. It ain't for short people.
You can shoot it that way, or you can shoot it out and shoot it that way. Yeah. Alright, you see this target? It's a little level target right in front of you. You don't want to be that close to it. Come back, bring your head back a little bit, and you should be able to shoot the level target. You see it?
you can see in the tape, I was pretty struggling with this gun. It knocked me back a couple inches. Didn't know what to do with myself.
Tall lad, one of the tall lad. You a pretend tall lad. Nigga, you on stilts, nigga. Stand your time, motherfuckers. Nigga, you got them knees, sir.
Because
you got knees like me. Watch you throw a showdown. Watch it. Look at it. Look. Somebody come and look at it. Look at it.
Ah, come on!
What's good, family? Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And make sure you hit the notification bell also. Don't pay attention to the hair. I know it's luxurious and flowing in the wind. But again, thank you guys and be blessed.